What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you how you can create a beautiful business card like this one I am showing you on the screen. Now guys, this is very easy to do once you're using Canva, right? So you want to create an account with Canva. Most of the stuff that you want to use with Canva is free. Also, they have a premium tier. You'll see the difference, right? And even if you don't have any design skills, don't worry, very easy to do, right? So I'm going to go on the home page. So when you sign into Canva, your home page will be looking like this, right? Now, if you have an idea in mind of how you want your business card to look, you can just search for it in the search section, right? So let's say here, business card. So it's suggested here, salon business card, right? So I'm going to select that option. Now you'll see a bunch of different templates that comes up. So all you need to do is select one that you like, right? So for the mechanic one that you saw earlier, you could search mechanic. So when I type mechanic, it suggested auto mechanic business card. So I'm going to select that option, right? And you can see it gave me a bunch of different templates to choose from. So you can select a simple template. So when you select a template, when you scroll down, you'll see a bunch of other related templates. Now this was the one that I customized to look like the one that you saw earlier. So I'm going to select this one. This one is a pro one, right? These ones are free. So when you hover over it, you see pro. So I'm going to select this option. So I'm just going to select customize template. So you would have realized that I got some gold bars on the edges, right? So what you need to do to get other elements like that is select elements and then you select, say, gold bar. So here I got a gold bar. So I just add it to the bottom of my business card. And that's it. Now let's select see all. Now also if you'd have observed, you'd have seen two little curl gold edges at the top of my screen. So I'm just gonna search gold here to get a bunch of things that look like gold. So your design could be anything that you want really, right? So this was the one that I used. I rotated it and then I drag it to the corner like that. So now you see everything is coming together just like how I had it on the screen. Now I had initially removed this background and use a gray one. To change your background, you can search for design, search for a gray background. And here you have a variety of gray backgrounds that you can choose from. This black is pretty fine, but the person who requested it needed a gray one, so I use a gray. So this image has the car attached to the background, so for me this is perfectly fine. So if you wanted to change the background, you could select add page here, select the design that you want, right? Now let's grab right click, copy. Now go back to the original, paste it, and it replaced the original background. So that is how you make changes to your background if you want, right? So I'm going to be keeping the default here. Now as it relates for the logo, I designed the logo with Canva as well. So I had downloaded it and uploaded it. So when I look in my uploads folder, I can find the logo here. So you could put your logo anywhere. So to design a logo, you just simply search for a logo similar to what you want to achieve. If you want to change the text color of any of the words on this screen, select the text that you want to change, then select this text color icon here. Then from this section, you can select the color picker and then you select the color that you want to add. So when I select the red section, it's going to change to red. If I slide this icon to the yellow section, it's going to change to yellow, so on and so forth. So you can select the color that you would like, right? So I'm going to keep that as red. If you want to add additional text, from the left here, select text, and then you can drag and drop to change the font. In order to change the font, select the text that you want to change. Then from the top menu here, you can select the font that is already highlighted. And then over here to the left, you can select the font that you want to use. To increase the font size, you can use this icon here, the plus or minus, to increase or decrease. You can do a bold, you can do italize, you can even do a center. So that's pretty much it. The design is really up to you and how much you want to customize it to your liking. There are various templates you can choose from. You don't have to be paying a designer to do this. Very easy to do, guys. And you can actually order them from Canva when you are done. So if we select continue and check out, right, it will give you the ability to print your business card. However, if you just want to download it for yourself, you can just select share and then select download. and you'll have the ability to download it on your computer or mobile phone wherever you do the design. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.